This conference will now be recorded.
So till now we understood what is Einstein Analytics. It's a being cloud-based business intelligence and visualization platform where I can predict and recommend by analyzing my existing Salesforce data and additional data. And then you understood for the licensing we need to have or enabled with Einstein Analytics license, and the user should have assigned with permission set license of Einstein Analytics Plus or Analytics platform. Now, if the user have this Einstein Analytics, then how they can navigate to there, how they can use it. Okay, so we'll see how we are going to use navigate Einstein Analytics. What are the components we have and how we are going to navigate to it and where we can use. Okay, so what happened here, so Einstein Analytics is completely a Salesforce product, or I can say Salesforce platform with the artificial intelligence added that to predict and analyze the data, or recommend the data. So Einstein Analytics is a Salesforce product which easily integrate with Salesforce platform. Okay, so a Salesforce user can access Einstein Analytics dashboard from multiple places. If you develop a Einstein Analytics dashboard, then how a user going to access it? Okay. So to do that, what happened? We can access this Einstein Analytics dashboard from Lightning page. Let me just increase the size. Okay. It can be accessed from the Lightning page. What does it mean? So so what happened if your Salesforce system admin uh, can add the analytics dashboard what we have built to any lightning page. If you are developing a lightning page, and on that page if you want to display the dashboard, analytics dashboard, simply admin can use the record page or home page wherever you want on any lightning page. That analytics dashboard can be easily embedded. But when you are in the page, so what and dashboard you want to pass or want to display, we simply pass the Salesforce can pass the record ID as a filter to dashboard, and the dashboard can show the relevant data on my lightning page. We'll see in upcoming sessions how I'm going to embed my analytics dashboard on my lightning page. But lightning page is one place where Salesforce system admin can add the analytics dashboard on the lightning page, any lightning page. It may be a home page or record page of any object or anywhere. Okay, so to do that, what happened? We can simply use Lightning App Builder to add a component. Let me be more specific. Simply, we can use Lightning App Builder, where I can use there is a component named as Einstein Analytics Dashboard component. Simply, we can use this component to use or to display my Einstein dashboard on my Lightning page. So in the app builder, if you go, we will have a component provided which we called Einstein Analytics Dashboard. With use of that component, we can expose or we can display any analytics dashboard on my Lightning page. This is one place. Okay. Same way, we have something called Analytics tab, and also something called Analytics Studio. So these are the places also we can access my Einstein Analytics dashboard also. So what does the meaning of Analytics tab and Analytics Studio? So once your org is enabled with Einstein Analytics license, okay, or the user who have permissions of Einstein Analytics, so uh, our org will be enabled with one tab which we call analytics tab. It will be added in our Salesforce org. It's just a Salesforce tab. Okay, so the Salesforce administrator can configure the tab. Like, see, if you are a user and you do not have access to analytics tab, but you have assigned analytics platform license to your user, then what happen? The admin can configure the visibility of the tab by using profile or permission set to display. So from the analytics tab, we can explore all apps, dashboards, and the lanes that we have access to. Everything can be there. Let me go and show you what I'm talking here. Analytics tab. If I go to my Salesforce, so If I go to, let me go and search a tab, I go to App Launcher. On the App Launcher, let's see, if you see Analytics, there is a tab already given which you call Analytics. If you go to that tab, okay, this tab have everything. From Analytics tab, I can come to here. Okay, so here what happened? We can able to explore all applications. You can see here different sections, home, notifications. You can browse all item or what you have set as favorite, or which things shared with you, or which are created by you. Everything you can see here. Okay, so if you go here, you can see here Einstein Analytics welcome message. If you want to search a particular analytics app or particular dashboard, you can search from here. Till now we didn't create anything, so I'm not going to search, but we'll see in future how we are going to manage this page. Okay, manage this tab. Okay, then what are the recent dashboards you have, you can see here. And you can see what kind of your analytics, what kind of favorite dashboards you have set, what is shared with you, what is created with you, everything. Okay, so now, so from Analytics tab, user can able to explore all applications, dashboards, and lens. I'll talk what is lens in upcoming sessions. It's a specific term I'm using for analytics, like dataset and lens. I'll talk about that in upcoming sessions. Okay, from this Analytics tab, user can able to explore all applications, dashboards, and lanes that user have access to. What are the dashboards we have assigned to a particular user? That dashboards or can explore on this page. Okay, also we have options of or features of notifications, so users also able to track notifications if added from this notification tab. If anything notifications is there, user can see from here also. Okay, this is from the analytics tab we can go. And apart from that, also there is one more options which you call analytics studio. So let me make a note for your reference here. What you can do, user able to, from this tab user able to explore all apps, dashboards, and lanes that user have access. This is I can do from the analytics tab. Same way something, one application is already given by Salesforce, which we call Analytics Studio. If you go to application launcher, then you simply see here something called Analytics Studio. In this studio, the app what we have, it build Einstein Analytics dashboard and apps we can do from here also. If I go to my application Analytics Studio, it's primarily for dashboard builders to build or edit Einstein Analytics dashboard. So what we can do from here, okay, if you want to build or edit Einstein Analytics dashboard, we can come from these applications. Okay, so starting from building the data set, defining the security of it, and anything you want to manage, simply you can do from this Analytics Studio. Okay, dashboard builders also have the ability to use my data manager from Analytics Studio. So what we are saying, let me show you. If I come to Analytics Studio applications, you can see same thing what we have seen. What we have seen, you can explore your apps, you can do everything, and there is something called data manager. Okay, it's a very important thing in Einstein Analytics. Okay, so from data manager also we can open the data manager. We can see what we can do. We'll in the separate sessions we'll discuss about data manager, what options we have. These options also we do here. Okay, data manager, and what are the applications you have, you can come from here. We have multiple options like data manager, model manager, everything. So we'll explore each one by one. So simply to say, whenever you want to navigate to Einstein Analytics, either you can use lightning page to expose your analytics dashboard using your um, component given as, let me show you, Einstein Analytics dashboard component. And also you can navigate from Analytics tab, or you can navigate from Analytics Studio. Okay, multiple options we have, we can do it. So whenever a standard user explore apps or dashboard or lanes or dataset what we have in analytics, we'll discuss in more detail what is dataset, what is lanes, how to create an app, how to create dashboard. We'll discuss in more detail. But whenever standard users explore these things, there are two ways where we can open this Analytics Studio. Either you go to Analytics tab, okay, If I'm in Analytics tab, let me go again. If I go to my Analytics tab, okay, let it open. So if you are in this Analytics tab, what do we do? So if you have a dashboard, once you develop dashboards, we will get one options to open that dashboard in my Analytics Studio. That you can do. If you see, it's a, for example, this is one app. You can go and open in Analytics Studio. You can open the Analytics Studio either from my Analytics tab also. The dashboards what you have, all these things you can open also in Analytics Studio. If you click here, I'll open in Analytics Studio to edit, build, or manage it. Don't worry, I'll explain this how it's going to happen. So for dashboards we have everything we can see. Okay, all the options we have. We can edit, we can edit. That options we'll discuss how in more detail we are going to do it. Okay, same way we can go to App Launcher and also you can open Analytics Studio. So Analytics Studio you can open in two ways, either from Analytics tab by a right click. Let me show you it once again. If you go to the Analytics tab, so under Analytics tab, if you want to open Analytics Studio, either you can do from this tab, go and find out open in Analytics Studio from there, or directly you can open Analytics Studio from the App Launcher as applications. Both things you can do this way. Okay. Apart from that, like the users who have this Einstein analytics permissions, see if they want to view, even they can do the same thing from the mobile applications. So as I said, Salesforce provided mobile applications for analytics. If you see, when I do comparison, there is an analytics app we have given. This app also can be downloaded from Google Play Store, or for iOS also you can get it. Let me go and find it out. Okay, if you go to your Google Play Store, if you search analytics mobile app Salesforce, if you search, you will get it. So if you go here Google Play Store, from the mobile you can install also. If you go to this app, this is provided by salesforce.com for analytics. This app also you can use. We will see how this app we're going to use in upcoming sessions, and when you use what kind of uh, configuration we have to do, or how we have to manage the view in the mobile, and how we have to manage the view in the desktop devices for the same dashboard. We'll see that. Either you can download the app from Google Play Store, or from Apple Store to get this Einstein analytics. So simply to summarize this, I can say, if you want to navigate to Einstein analytics, you can use your analytics tab or Analytics Studio, and also you can use dashboard in your Lightning page. That Lightning page, who have access to Lightning page with these permissions, they can access your Einstein Analytics dashboard, which we embedded using my Lightning component, Einstein Analytics dashboard component. I'll show you all these options how we are going to happen in the upcoming sessions. Thank you. Stay tuned for next session.